Welcome back to Overheat 2026 Maxus Motorhome. Outside, modern and aerodynamic design. With smoother body lines and contemporary LED lighting, it is likely to have a more modern and aerodynamic design than the previous model. Sturdy and lightweight construction. To increase durability and fuel efficiency, sturdy yet lightweight materials are used. Easy access to the living area is made possible by the wide sliding side doors. For convenient access to the back storage area, consider installing two rear doors or a large trunk door. High roof option to increase interior headroom. Inside, flexible layouts or range of layouts are offered to suit families and couples, with the goal of optimizing comfort and space. Chairs or couches that may be made into extra beds are examples of comfortable seating. Dining tables that fold up or are movable to make flexible use of available space. A fully furnished kitchen includes a gas stove with 2 or 3 burners, sink with wastewater and clean water taps. Refrigerators of different sizes, absorption or compressor. Room to store food and cooking supplies. Certain models could come with a tiny workstation that doubles as a laptop or kitchen table. Cozy sleeping area. Depending on the size of the motorhome, there may be a fixed double bed in the back or an alcove at the top. A bed that folds from the ceiling or wall. Drawers beneath the bed and seats, cupboards for storage above, and a special area for storing luggage. Utilizing all available space with a modern design is known as modern interior design. Diesel or electric, since Maxus is well known for its business vehicles. An effective diesel engine choice is probably available, given the ongoing trend of electrification. An electric model might be available in the future. Airbags, ESP, ABS, and maybe additional driver aid features are examples of advanced safety features. Online connectivity. There will likely be the option for onboard Wi-Fi or modem integration to give online connectivity while on the road.